It is a happy Monday morning and we've got some beautiful combinations. The pinks, the grays, these are all really taking a big step forward for spring. This is a cotton poly. Let me just check to make sure. Yeah, but look at the drape on this. Just incredible drape. So it would be beautiful, like 418 would make a beautiful blouse out of that, just a really good basic. Then we have this coordinating, it's a light gray texture. It's so pretty. This is also a cotton poly. Just a little tank would be wonderful, or a little cardigan would be really cute. Those won't press out, so you don't need to worry about a lot of pressing with that. This pink is a solid, it's a woven, 100% cotton. Isn't that nice? Not a stretch woven, just 100% cotton. But it's really pretty. It goes with the grays beautifully. This has a real pinky cast to it. As you can see, there's in the selvage, there's a little pinky cast. This is 100% cotton. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. A little bit of sheen on it. This also 100% cotton. This is our hot pink, which is everywhere. And it is a stretch woven. Love that. So that would work for pants, jacket, either way. And then we've got some ribbing. This is a cotton poly, but it's the wider rib and it's really nice. This is Alexander Wang. Well, they're all Alexander Wang, but anyway, isn't that beautiful? That ribbing is just lovely. So, and it's got stretch in one direction. All right, so the goal for this week, you know it, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.